5, 3 by Ellis. Pass to Reyes. Reyes pa rin. 2 points. Reyes, 13-10 in favor of Team Muscle. Jake, power move by Jake. No good, 2 by Reyes pa rin, steal by Cal. Last possession before change. Last possession. 2 points, Elvis Cal. Change score, 15-10 in favor of Team Muscle. 15-10 in favor of Team Muscle. Team Muscle, pwede kayo mag-sub. Kayo pong bahala. 4 minutes and 50. Tumalon, no good. Alabas po. 4 minutes and 46 seconds. Two points, Ron Picura, 15-12. 15-12 in favor of Team Muscle pa rin. 4 minutes and 27 seconds left for the second period. Orogo, taking 3. Ribaway, Nepomuceno, block by Dervine, may kasama foul. First team foul, foul by jersey number 0. Dervine, 14 second shot clock. Reyes, pass to number 23. 10 seconds to shoot. Gal, you won! Foul, second team foul, 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot, second team foul. Team play. 3 minutes and 15. 14 second shot clock. Ellie, short number, no good. Rebound by Dervine, pushing through. Dervine layup shot is good. Count that. Basket is good. Yeah, Dervine, 15-14. Look at it over Nepomuceno, 2 points, Mikey. Nepomuceno. 17-14 in favor of Team Muscle. Dervine sa ilalim. Papaw, basket yan. 2 points. Dervine, 17-16. Previous at 5, Reyes, long 2. Now good, 2 points Nepomuceno. Counted yan, Papaw, 2 points. 19-18 in favor of Team Muscle. 19-18, lamang na isa, Team Muscle. Pass to Tumalon, number shot of good, Rima Martin, change, Rimo, 2019. Lamang na 40 yung payo ng isa. 2019. Pass to Orogo. Reyes, short number ng looper shot. No good, Rimo tayo na kung siya naman. 2 points, Mikey Nepomuceno, change 3 more, 21-20.
Pakit tumakbo ni Mikey.
21-20 in favor of Team Muscle. Rebound ng Dervine. Foul. Second team foul, Team Muscle. 2 minutes and 5 seconds left. 21-20 in favor of Team Muscle. 1 point lead by Team Muscle. Reyes 83. Lagi, puro kayo Nepomuceno. Pass Reyes out of bounds. Last 2 minutes. At isa nyo ng Sociality Bowlers Challenge is always with us. Yung manalo, advance to the finals. Yung manalo, first game po natin yan. Nugget, Picura pa rin 2 points. James Picor, Ron Picura, 22-21. Tumalon, Nugget, Picura pa rin. Picura pa rin, spin move. Nugget, Picura number 23. To Reyes to Nepomuceno, 2 points, James Picor, 23-22 in favor of Team Hassan. 15 seconds shoot. Picura, Nugget, Rimubay, Orogo. Score 23-22 lamang ang isang Team Hassan. Reyes, yung patin. Nugget, Rimubay, Reyes. Crossover ko by Reyes. Exactly 1 minute. Reyes. Foul. 30 foul, Team Muscle. 30 foul, Team Muscle. Tama. 30 foul, Team Muscle. 52 seconds left. 12 seconds to shoot. 23-23. 10 seconds to shoot. King 83, no good. Tino Payo Rosero. 47 seconds. 43 seconds. Ellis, nakawala. Ellis, tinikat pa. 2 points, Ellis. 25-22. 36 seconds. Kick to the repeated. 19 seconds shot clock. The repeated set back 3. No good. Tino Payo Rogo. 25 seconds left. 20 seconds left. 19 seconds shot clock. 15 seconds left. 15 seconds shot clock. 12 seconds shot clock. Elpin na 2 points. 27-22 shot clock po. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1.